Experiencing network errors with your Tesco Clubcard app? You're not alone. These errors, like unable to connect messages, often stem from server issues, network problems, or app glitches. The good news is many fixes are simple. First, check Tesco's server status on their website, status.tesco.com, or Down Detector to see if there's a widespread outage. If the servers are up, your VPN might be the culprit. VPNs can interfere with the app's connection to UK-based servers. Try disabling your VPN and retrying. Finally, the app itself has a smart retry feature, but manually retrying by closing and reopening the app or logging out and back in can also help. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, consider these advanced steps. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection, at least 3G for mobile data. Next, clear the app's cache to remove potentially corrupted data that might be causing issues. Make sure you're running the latest version of the app to get important bug fixes. Understanding the cause is key. Network errors often arise from HTTP status codes or disruptions in the app's HTTPS API communication. Tesco is working on AI-driven diagnostics to predict and auto-fix errors, but for now, these manual steps are your best bet. Remember, connectivity issues are common, but with these fixes, you should be able to get back to using your Clubcard app in no time.